Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use canvas cloth. Canvas is an incredibly versatile and durable fabric, perfect for many projects. It's a plain woven material, often made from cotton or linen, known for its exceptional strength and resistance to wear. You'll find it in various weights, from a lighter 5 ounces to a heavy 24 ounces per square yard, making it suitable for a wide range of applications. Let's dive into its many uses and how to work with it effectively. Before you begin any project, proper preparation of your canvas cloth is key. First, always pre-wash your canvas to prevent any future shrinkage and to remove sizing or chemicals from manufacturing. After washing, iron the fabric on a medium-high setting to ensure a smooth, wrinkle-free surface for cutting and sewing. When cutting, use sharp scissors or a rotary cutter for precise lines. For projects that will be laundered, hemming the edges is a smart step to prevent fraying and ensure longevity. Canvas cloth boasts an impressive array of uses across many fields. Artists frequently use stretched canvas as a robust surface for oil and acrylic paintings, providing a stable foundation for their creations. Beyond art, it's a popular choice for crafting durable bags, from everyday tote bags to sturdy backpacks. In home decor, canvas transforms into resilient upholstery, stylish curtains, and decorative throw pillows. Its inherent strength also makes it ideal for outdoor gear like tents and protective covers. When sewing with canvas, a few tips can make your project much smoother. Always use a heavy-duty sewing machine needle, typically a size 16 or 18, to penetrate the dense fabric without breaking. Pair this with a strong thread, such as polyester or nylon, for seams that will hold up over time. A walking foot attachment can be incredibly helpful, ensuring the fabric feeds evenly and prevents puckering. Finally, finish your seams with a serger or a zigzag stitch to prevent fraying and give your project a professional finish.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.